Hey guys, what's up today? So today I will be showing you only one slime because I have to make more, and I'm going to fix it with some shaving cream to make it more fluffy, and I will need to use this so I don't have to hold the phone up with the water bottle. Sorry it's really bright, but please subscribe and like, and in the comments ask me if you want me to put more shaving cream in my slime. So yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe because so you can be part of my A family. All right, let's get to it. So let me put you right here. Hold on, guys. Let me put this up. And it's supposed to hold your phone, and it really is. So let me put it up. Put it down. Wait, that's good. All right, let's get to it. So I have this lollipop, these lollipops. This is my slime. This is some puppies that I had just today. My water bottle. And my gum and the shaving cream. Okay, so there's always a certain spot you have to have it. Right here. Perfect. Okay. All right. There we go. Sorry, it's my skin's very. Oh God. This is really sticky, so as you can see, it doesn't. Whoa. Oh God. It's been sitting in the sun for a long time. And see how fast it's coming out? It's like, gotta tip it over and pat the bottom. Get it out. There we go. I'm not gonna use my fingers for this, guys. Maybe I can. Hold on. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna put it. The bottom is not that sticky. Well, maybe it is. I'm gonna have to wash the table. Okay, so I got this from Harmon, and came out quick. Look how much. Hold on, let me turn it. That much I will need right now. Okay, let me. Ooh. As you can see, I will not be touching this foam, the shaving foam, because I don't want to, And I'm trying to make this fluffy. Probably it's not going to work, but I don't care. This is still my lucky sign. Maybe not anymore, but it's still going to be the best sign. So yesterday I made a video. Gabrielle. She's not here today, but it's smelling good. And it's not getting that sticky. That's how big it is. And it is making it fluffy a lot. As you can see, its structure is good. I can't poke as good poking. I should know because it's my slime, but I'm just telling you guys, it has good poking. Everything else. There's so much on my head right now. So, I'm not going to make this video that long. I'm going to make it like 12 minutes. whoa. And it has little foam beads in it. It has good cracks, and I'm gonna use this for my next video. So this is my second video I've ever made. If you want, go check out my other channel. It's called Aliana Dubose. ALIANADUBOSE. And I only have 4 videos. So, see how fluffy it gets? Be like, whoa. Sayonara. And now it's having good pokes with me. I'm just going to put a little bit more foam. Like that much. Oh, it's so fluffy. Oh, it's ripping apart already. And I'm making it trying to be light green, like a teal color. On that part, on your part. Well, on that part, I should say, on my part. This is my, like, 100th slime I've ever made. But I'm not going to show you all the slimes. I'm not going to do slime videos because I'm here to just show my personality and everything else. I'm not here for just talking about slime. My other video hasn't come out yet, but go follow AIMDC. And in the description, I will put my Insta and my Snapchat. This is really sticky now. I don't like this. Okay, so when I put this away, I'm going to show you. And yeah, to get it all off my hands. So I'm gonna tell you my Insta now because I memorized it because I'm always on Instagram. So. My Insta name is, well, my Insta is AlianaDancer3. And yeah, I don't remember my Snapchat, so I'll do it in the next video, which will be like tomorrow. And I will take you guys to recital and nationals and all those other events. So and I know people don't watch my videos, but you're gonna like how it is. So my team is at Art and Motion Dance Academy. I'm trying to make sure you can see. Oh, slime! Slime is on the camera. Okay, so I will take you guys. More slime is coming out. Like the foam balls in it. The foam. I mean, I slept with this last night, but then my timer woke me up at like 6. It wakes me up at 6:30. So, hey Mom, I'm doing a YouTube video. And this thing actually works. This actually really helps your slime to make it not. This one from Harmon. Get this from Harmon because it makes your slime not sticky. And I have a lot of events, but I cannot take you with me to school because we cannot have phones in school. So I might have this over 12 minutes because I love YouTube and I use it every night. So, but like I said, I'll be making YouTube videos Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. But I'm gonna have to tell you that maybe not. So I'm gonna tell you what days I can't do YouTubes. I can't do it. I can't do it on the 9th, the 10th, the 15th, the 16th, the 17th. No, I can do it on the 17th. I can't do it on the 23rd, the 25th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30, and 31st. Well, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. I can't do it on those days. So. No offense, but all the YouTubers out there, I love your videos. Some of them I don't like because they're too, like, once I looked at this video and I reported it and it didn't do anything to it. It said, we will take this video down, and then the next day I still see it, and I was like, really? And then my mom saw it. She wasn't very happy. Oh yeah, from Harmon, get the new limited edition ice cubes, glitter gum. It's summer snow cone natural and artificial flavors. I will show you from the menu side. So, from the camera, it doesn't look that glittery. Oh, now it does. So it's like, here, let me show you. So, the gum is like glittery all on each side, and then there's like blue and red for a snow cone. Set that down. Okay. And this Monday I have auditions, and I'm definitely gonna go because I'm on company. Go check out Art and Motion Dance Academy on. So go check out Art and Motion Dance Academy on YouTube and Art and Motion AIMDC on Instagram. So I'm going to turn the TV on, and I will show you guys what's on. And if I didn't say again, happy Father's Day if I don't do a video on Father's Day, because I might be with my father. So. And I might be able to be with you guys after recital and on recital. And just saying, the last day of school for Margot kids is the 22nd. And whoever watching this, even if it's not Simon Cowell rock. Alright, so right now I will yeah, that's right.
Do you have any case videos?
What's quesadillas? Sorry guys, no offense, but I have no idea what quesadillas are.
Chicken taco.
I'll try that.
It's got cheese and stuff in it. Cheese and chicken.
Is it heat up?
Huh?
Is it heat up?
Yeah, you can eat it just the way that it is, like that.
Oh, can you turn the TV on and give me some iced tea, please? I'm gonna put this away. So I'm gonna put this away, and then after I'm done eating lunch, I will make another video, a third video. Okay. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and in the comments tell me, do you want me for my next video? Well, today for my next video. Comment if you want me to play with this slime, put more foam, or just give you guys a house tour, another house tour. Because my room's changed. Bye.